Hi everyone, Matthew Donovan here, day 14 of Learning Czech. Another quick video for you today. I drove home to see my parents and my siblings, spend a couple days with them, and then head back to Waterloo, where I live, and commute into Guelph. But anyways, today what I did, just another update, refresher. Basically, I went through a couple lessons on Link, basically all the previous lessons that I've gone through at any point in the past, just to review those, go over the vocabulary, and again, just do a little bit of review on the flashcards that Link has as a system as a whole. What I also went through and did is I found a list, as I think I've mentioned this, of the top 1,000 words in Czech, and I want to go through those. I think definitely that won't be all the words I need, but that will probably provide a strong enough foundation. And then from there, the additional words that I need to know will likely depend on the context of what I'm reading or what I'm choosing to focus on, right? If I'm wanting to do, say, agriculture, it'd probably be more important to know the farm animals or farming crops or things like that versus international news. You'll definitely have, political words and things like that. I might run into this issue when I start looking at the news that I've downloaded from Radio Prague, radio.cz. That's the website. Those articles, the daily updates, might be potentially more politically focused, and that might show itself in the words that I end up seeing. But anyways, we'll get to that bridge we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But the biggest thing right now is again just more input. And every day that I go through and I review the lessons on Link and I do new lessons, I'm noticing that I have this understanding of what the words mean. Now, the biggest thing for me will be when I see them, the same words in a different context, if I'm still able to remember, or as I said, I think in yesterday's video, whether or not I'm simply just memorizing what each of the individual lessons means. But anyways, today's Friday, this upcoming Sunday, I'm hoping to have a short half-hour conversation with a tutor from italki.com, I believe it is. Could be .ca, I'm not quite sure. So I'll have to book that either today or early tomorrow. I believe it needs to be done 24 hours in advance, and hopefully I'll be able to do that and find a tutor that works, and maybe every other week or every 3 weeks, something along those lines, I'll be able to communicate. I think that's the next step. Make sure my pronunciation is sufficient. Definitely at this point does not need to be perfect, but make sure I'm getting something close, or potentially learn strategies to pronounce the sounds or letters that I'm unable to. But anyways, we'll see where things go. Thanks for watching. Talk to you tomorrow.